Hi. Hello. You know those content creators who record absolutely anything and everything they do?
Guys, I just stepped on the snake and that's a stick. Never mind.
I want to do that. Sorry, I'm trying to grab something. So I got this package. It's from Temu. And that brings us to today's sponsor. I don't get sponsored. I got this jacket. Stop watching me change. It's nice, it's comfy, I like it. But wait, I got a shirt to go with it. I probably should have opened the shirt first. Stop watching me change. Okay, like and subscribe. I have another package coming soon.